Hello students, in this video I am going to solve exercise 9.2. In this exercise we will learn how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on rational numbers. We have already studied what are rational numbers, so we are going to perform all these calculations on rational numbers. We have already seen how to perform these calculations on fractions. Rules are almost same, the rules that we followed in fraction. So we know how to perform this calculation on fraction. In this exercise we will learn how to perform this on rational numbers. So let us recall first the basic rule of plus minus. Plus minus becomes minus, minus plus becomes minus, plus plus becomes plus and minus minus becomes plus. So when the signs are same, जब दोनों साइन एक जैसे होते हैं तो it becomes plus, and when two sign are different तो वो minus रहता है. So we have to follow these rules and we have to apply these. Now this is 5/4. See, plus minus plus minus, जब plus minus है it becomes minus, तो यहाँ पर हमें माइनस साइन कंसीडर करना है. minus 11/4. Now denominator is same 4. It will become 5 minus 11. 5 minus 11. We have already studied about these rules in chapter 2. So 5 minus 11. We have to subtract. This sign is plus, this sign is minus. एक sign minus है, एक sign plus है. तो हमें subtraction करना है. तो 11 से हम 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, then what will we get? 6. It is 6/4. But what will be the sign? 5 minus 11 is minus 6. So it is minus 6/4 is the answer. Why minus sign came? We will check which one is greater. रिजल्ट का साइन चेक करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? हमें देखना है which one is greater. 11 is greater. So check what is the sign of 11. Sign of 11 is minus. So जो नंबर भी greater है उसका ही साइन हमें रिजल्ट के साइन में लिखना है. 11 is greater तो हम 11 का माइनस साइन ही रिजल्ट में लिखेंगे. So it will be the answer. You can reduce it into its lowest form also. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It will become minus 3/2. This will be the answer. Now one more question based upon this. Minus 8/19 plus minus 2/57. In this question denominator was same. In this question denominator is not same. So we have to take the LCM. When denominator is not same, we have to take the LCM and we have to make the denominator same. So first consider the sign. What will be the sign? Plus and minus. I told you plus minus, one is plus, one is minus. जब दोनों sign different है तो it will be minus. Plus minus becomes minus. Minus 2/57. Now see, denominator is not same. We will take the LCM. What will be the LCM? LCM of 19 and 57 will be 57. 57 is a LCM. So 8/19. 19 3s are 57 होता है. So we can multiply it by 3 and divide it by 3. Minus 2/57. So calculate it. 8 3s are 24. 24/57 minus 2/57. Now the denominators are same. It is 57 minus 24 minus 2. Now we will calculate it. Minus 24 and minus 2. Both the sign are minus. दोनों sign minus के हैं. जब साइन सिमिलर होते हैं तो हमें एडिशन करना है. We have to add 24 and 2. It is 26. And what will be the sign? We have to check which one is greater. 24 is greater and the sign of 24 is minus. So it will be minus 26. Minus 26 upon 57 is the answer. So you just have to remember the rules of plus minus. Those rules you have to follow. Otherwise everything is similar to chapter 2. Now see one more question. It is 5 upon 63 minus minus. Here minus minus. Both the sign are same. Minus and minus. Minus और minus क्या होता है? Plus हो जाता है. So ये plus हो जाएगा. Now again denominator is not same. So we will take the LCM. What is the LCM of 63 and 21? It will be 63. Now 63 is the LCM. It is 5 upon 63 plus 6 upon 21. 21 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? Then we will get 63. 3 से again. So multiply and divided by 3. It will become 5 upon 63 plus 18 upon 63. So it will become 63. 5 plus 18. 5 plus 18 is equal to 23. It is 23 upon 63. This is the answer. So that's how we have to perform addition and subtraction. Now we will learn how to perform multiplication and division on rational numbers. Minus 6 upon 5 multiply 9 upon 11. Whenever we are multiplying, we don't have to take any LCM. LCM सिर्फ एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में ही लेना है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन में सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई करना है. यू जस्ट हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. न्यूमिनेटर को न्यूमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो न्यूमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई and denominators multiply. Minus 6 multiply by 9 divided by 5 multiply by 11. Minus 6 multiply by 9 will be 54. But what will be the sign? 1 minus and 1 plus. So sign will be minus. It will be minus 54 upon 55. You just have to simply multiply and you just have to check what will be the sign. Now questions based upon division. As we have already studied in chapter 2, when we have to divide, we will convert it into multiply and we will reciprocate the second term. So this is minus 4. It will be converted into multiply. इसको multiply में convert करो और इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. व्हाट विल बी द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 2 upon 3? इट विल बी 3 upon 2. नाउ अ सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्वेश्चन. यू कैन रिड्यूस इट. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. नाउ इट बिकम्स minus 2 multiplied by 3 upon 1. So this is minus 6. This is the answer. So division के क्वेश्चन को first you have to convert it into multiplication. One more example. Minus 4 upon 5 multiply. Now the reciprocal of minus 3. Minus 3 का reciprocal होगा 1 upon minus 3. This will be the reciprocal. Now you can cut it. माइनस साइन से माइनस साइन को हम कट कर सकते हैं. माइनस साइन से माइनस साइन जो है वो कट हो जाएगा. Now simply multiply. Numerators 4 multiplied by 1 and denominators 5 multiplied by 3. It will become 4 upon 15. This is the answer. One more question based upon division. Minus 2 upon 13 divide 1 upon 7. Minus 2 upon 13 it will be converted into multiplication and reciprocal of 1 upon 7. Reciprocal of 1 upon 7 is 7 upon 1, and 7 upon 1 means 7, so you can simply write 7. So it will become minus 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 13. It will become minus 14 upon 13. So this is the answer. So it is very simple. As you perform the calculations in chapter 2, all are similar. Addition, subtraction, multiply and division you have to perform in similar way. You just have to take care of the sign. There are some rules, you have to learn those sign rules. Those are very important, and based upon that you can solve all the questions. Practice more and more questions based upon this. It will help you in higher grades also. These calculations are basic calculations. That's all. Goodbye.